Okay guys, today we're going to talk about installing an ambidextrous bolt catch. To the gods at YouTube, this is not like a fancy improvement that makes your thing into a fully auto semi-machine gun, belt fed, magazine clip, nothing like that. This is to make a firearm more inclusive because it makes it so all our lefty friends out there can enjoy shooting. And because most people are right-handed, but if you're lefty, then dropping your bolt is a pain in the butt on an AR. So this makes it so everybody can shoot. So don't demonetize this. To install this, first thing we're going to do is take off all these little doodads, all the screws. This one we don't have to pull out, but we'll back it off just a little bit. And then before we put this on, I'm going to put Loctite on every single one of these screws, because if you don't put Loctite on them, my experience is that they tend to wander off. So I'll put this blue Loctite on all of them. Even this kind of set screw, put Loctite on him too. Okay, so once you take all those parts off, I put some Loctite on the screws. We're gonna have to pull the upper off. Bye upper. Once you get that off, you do have to pull that off because there's a bolt from behind and a bolt screw from the front. So we're just gonna kind of hold that on there. I'm gonna take one of these bolts or screws, stick it in from the front. So let's take this one, stick it in from the front. Pretty simple. The other one, stick it in from the back. If you can't figure out how to put the screw in from the back, then you don't deserve to. You probably shouldn't be modifying or adding this anyway. Not so tight to strip it, but moderately tight. Okay, and then just so it's not loose and dangling, we'll adjust this down to grab onto the bolt catch. Do it moderately tight. Everything here doesn't have torque specs, but you don't want to strip anything. So, okay, and then that is your ambidextrous bolt release. Okay, so now when your bolt is locked back, rather than have to hit it with the other hand, you can simply just hit your ambidextrous bolt release, and it's pretty nice. Show you again. That's pretty cool. So you can throw a mag in, hit your bolt release right away, and then you're off to the races again. So they're pretty cool. Okay guys, if you have any thoughts on ambidextrous bolt catches, whether you like them or not, please put those in the comments below. I can do a whole video on the pros and cons if you like. But anyway, that's how you install one. Pretty easy. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.